Hi folks, I've come home, I've sat in front of this thing, I've done YouTube, I've done Facebook, and it just gets to you, doesn't it? It just gets to you now. Obviously, it's an age thing. It's like a magnet. It just keeps pulling you in, pulling you. I've got to go on YouTube. I gotta see what people said about me. It's sort of that thing, and it just does your brain in. And then I'm thinking I'd be better off out the garden, you know. I'd be better off out in my shed, because I love my shed. I love doing anything. I don't give a toot what I'm doing as long as I'm doing something. So, coming out, I'll show you. That's just letting the neighbours know I'm out the shed. Shut the doors, shut their windows. Right, well that maybe. I've got a picture in my head. I'm gonna try and get this picture out. I don't know if I can, but we're gonna try. Let's have a 5 minute. I see if I can fix that. Let's have a 5 minute break. Yeah, and that's why I don't like videoing me taking things apart, which is electrical. Because yes, the button had popped out of the brush. The other brush, remember I did the one not so long back? Well, the button had popped out the other brush, so I bent the spring up, got the button out the brush, put the thing back, put the wire over the spring, and then plugged it in to see if it would work. Well, it didn't work, so I decided to, and of course I've got a fucking electric shock. So I gotta cut that as the first thing. So bear with me. I'm making this for somebody I don't particularly like, but I think he deserves this. So we're gonna make him this. And if he wants to pop in and collect it, he can. I'm supposed to be in there getting my cameras ready, because I'm doing a photo shoot tomorrow at Swindon. I'm just gonna well that in there like that. I forgot all about you and I carried on. I do apologise to each and every one. He sits over there nice, so we'll try it. I don't know if I can do this, but we'll try it. That's not bad if I can find somewhere to tack it. Get in there. Semi-professional. Fucking hell, you wouldn't believe that. You know, I wanted that off to start with. And then of course you get dropsies and the fucking thing falls off. No. Crock of fucking shit. Fucking Japan again, I get. Can't blame him for every fucking thing, rubber. Fucking have a good go though. Can I get it back on is a question. And if I can't, it looks fucking stupid. It's good, I like that. You get things you just like and then you say, oh, I don't like that, yeah, I do like that. Stay there, mate. Probably shortened down a bit, but definitely a bit ambitious there. Oh, well done on there like that. Don't know how, but I'm going to try. I can hold that. Or twist his arm on there, wherever you want it. Ah, you stupid. Take your time, man. Take your time, it's not worth it, mate. You can see, I'm always trying. You know, what sort of gloves can you wear? Need a fucking pair on all day permanently. Right with there. We'll get it on there and then we'll celebrate. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. We've got to just bend them down a bit. I wanted these toes to actually touch the floor. Do you like his ass? Big ass. He's always fucking sat there doing nothing. Smell burning skin. Not very nice, is it? Right. Can we put you in there? Your mate went in it. Don't see why you can't. Right, let's give you a set of eyes. No, I'm not going to hold that next one on it yet. Or will I? Come on, let's get it done. Right. Can I get that on there? It's a fucking question when I'm shooting, screaming about it. I think I can. Somewhere or other. Somewhere here, there's a hat for this fella. No, look, love. More than that one, but that's not bad. That looks like a little Scotch wrap, don't it? I'll have a coffee because I don't think I drank anything today.
You said coffee, yeah?
Coffee, please. Was it that one? Quite like that, actually. Yeah, it was miles away. Well, I have absolutely speechless. Why should I put a fucking ass on a fucking model? Big head, big ass. Who the hell am I making this for? Come on, tell me. Big head, big ass, please guitar. I don't think there's anything else you can actually do to it, you know. Leave it and run. So he looks like that. He plays guitar. He sat on his ass. Got a big ass. Funny face. Sometimes wears a hat. Ding ding. Doodle went to town just to ride the ponies. I'm sitting on top of the world, just singing a song. Just singing a song. Glory, 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 hallelujah. Who the hell is that? Come on, write your comments. Let's get rid of it.